for today's one, we're going to be learning about how I use Notion to study for exams. Like right here, this is a template that I use. So yeah, I just put a random exam date here. You just put your exam date, your goal grade, and the name of whatever exam you're taking. And here is the main studying part. So basically right here, you're going to be putting whatever lecture or topic names you're going to be tested over in that test. So say we're in chemistry and matter is one of the topics. So I basically have to complete all these tasks for that one topic. So notes, you just read over your notes. Make flashcards. I make flashcards in this page by using the toggle feature. You type flash toggle and you choose this option. Then you can just write your question and answer. And that's how I make flashcards. Then you can look over any assignments and do problems from those, and if it's a big unit test, some previous quizzes. And then I make sure to review the flashcards at least 2 times before the real test to make sure that I know everything. So once you complete those all, you can just check them off. And you're basically just going to do that for all the topics that are going to be tested over. Now, here is the study schedule, because if you don't have a schedule, you might not be able to finish everything in time. So the way I do this is /to-do list. And basically, I count the number of topics I have and the number of days I have until the test. So you're just going to do all those tasks for each of the lectures on each day. And finally, I have a reward section. Now, this one is more for subjects that you need to memorize things like history and things like that. Any type of subject where you do more practice problems than like memorization, I have a separate one because you need to study a different way for those types of subjects. So same exam date, goal grade. The tasks is where it gets a bit different. So we're just going to add a topic, like say I'm in calculus, I'm learning the squeeze theorem. And you can see the tasks are a bit different here. So you're still going to read over your notes and do problems from assignments. This one is different. Practice questions. For this one, I basically just get questions from online to get more exposure to different types of problems. So the way I do this is I just Google example squeeze theorem problems, which you can see I've searched. And then here I found some on Khan Academy. So what I'll do is I copy the link and then I go back to this and I just paste the link, and you can embed it, but I usually don't. So then I will make sure to do some practice problems from here too, and then I'll check that off. And then quizzes. So same thing, you're going to make the same study schedule and reward. And yeah, that's basically how I study for all my exams that I have. If you like this video, please make sure to like and subscribe, and the template for this will be in the description box down below. So if you want it, just